Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit the final URL in Google Ads. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Ads account and looking at the main navigation. From the left sidebar, click on Campaigns. After that, open Campaign drop-down menu and choose Ads, which brings up the list of individual ads. This is exactly where you need to be to change an ad's destination. Next, find the ad you want to update and move your mouse over it. When you hover over the ad row, a small pencil icon will appear. Click it to open the ad in editing mode, allowing you to make changes without recreating the ad from scratch. Inside the editor, look for the field labeled Final URL. This is the actual landing page users will reach when they click your ad. Enter the correct link here, making sure to use the full URL, including HTTPS. It's important that the page loads quickly, is mobile-friendly, and clearly matches the promise made in your ad. Keep in mind that changing the final URL may trigger a brief review by Google to ensure your ad and landing page comply with policies. Once you're confident everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom left of the editor. Your changes will be applied, and after any review is complete, traffic will begin flowing to the new page. And that's it. So that's basically how you can edit the final URL in Google Ads. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.